All right, now I'm going to teach y'all how to make lunch that doesn't suck and won't make you fat. Some cheese. Cheese got that 80 calories right there. Check it out. And got that mission carb balance. 70 calories for one of them bad boys. Pickles. Pickles. How many calories? 0, because they love you. Some turkey breast? How many calories? 70. 70 for 4 little slices of that. You shouldn't use mayonnaise. Bull crap, we're going to use that mayonnaise. Blue Plate. Anything else? Is there any other brand? 100 calories? Do a teaspoon, more like 50. But that's, there we go. Slap that mayonnaise. Oh, yeah, spread it around. Spread it like love. The soul. Slap, 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 slap. Slap that meat. Cheese. Everything needs cheese. Every time. Some pickles. Bet you didn't know that's the sound that pickles make when slap a sandwich. There it is. Now roll it up. Yeah, I know you know how to roll things. Look at there. Look at there. There's lunch that doesn't suck. Look at all them calories. They ain't there because there ain't that many calories. Have a good day.